How to turn off Safe Search on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to turn off Safe Search on iPhone. So, let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your iOS is up to date. To do that, you just simply go to your settings and then look for General and go to Software Update. Once you're in software update, make sure to click on download and install, and make sure also that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data connection. And then, once you have downloaded and installed the latest version of your iOS, unfortunately, um, you cannot see the safe search setting on your settings app. So like this one, whenever you open settings and then go to Safari, you may not be able to see the safe search option. However, the only thing that you may do is to go to the Safari app and then by going to Google. So wait for it to load and then click on the three lines found on the upper left corner of the screen and then go to settings right here and then wait for it to load. And as you can see on the third section, I think so, first, second, and third, you may see the safe search filters. So there are actually two options right here, the show explicit results and the hide explicit results. So if you want to turn off the safe search, then you just simply show explicit results right here. So click on show explicit results, and then now you may go back to Google and then search for it, search for anything that you want, and then that's it. That's how you can turn off safe search on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.